Good morning, guys. Camped out last night, just behind me here. Had a really good night's sleep. Slept right through. Got a good 7 or 8 hours. House behind me here was my host's house. Really grateful for them for taking me in for the night. Yesterday really took it out of me. It was pretty tough day. Real strong headwind. I was just crawling into Atherton. We're going to take it easy today. Got about a 20k ride to a little town called Herberton, where I'll camp out for the night there. Probably just at a caravan park tonight, but we'll see. Just having one last cup of coffee before I go, and then I'll be back on the road. Bring on day 3, I guess. Yeah, awesome. Pretty much just made it to the top of the range. Just behind me, I'm pretty sure is the top. So hopefully it should be downhill into Herberton from there. And I've picked up a little delivery, which I'm going to drop down in Herberton as well. Some of the stuff you find on the road is so ridiculous. This is a Dyson vacuum cleaner. Someone's obviously missing, fallen out of the back of the ute or something like that. But you see so much weird stuff. Along with rubbish, you find so much rubbish on the side of the road, which is a shame. And coffee cups. I even saw a couple of straws back there, so I might start picking some stuff up if I get the chance when I've stopped off. But yeah, that'll be going in a bin in Herberton. Almost there. Another 8k's to go, I think. Made it here to Herberton. It's actually a real slacker of a day. Only 15k's, I think, in the end. I think it's another 3k's into town. I'm staying at a camping caravan park here. Windy River campground, caravan park. It's pretty good. It's got shower block, full kitchen as well, and it was $10 a night. So thought I'd take advantage of the kitchen. Save myself having to build a fire in my little wood stove. I'm gonna nip into town as well. Apparently there's a spy camera museum, which seems just wacky. So I want to check that out, see what that's all about. Yeah, probably just chill out for the day. Relax, recuperate, enjoy living. I don't know about you guys, but I was having a good day until this. The spy camera museum is closed as the person is on a photographic assignment. I do have some good news. There's a little shop here, and managed to find some Tupperware at the campsite, and I got some bacon. No single-use plastic was used at all. Nothing was packaged, except for obviously the package it comes in the store. As a consumer, this is probably the best we can do unless we're buying direct from a farm. But pretty happy. And I got half a dozen eggs. I'm gonna have a bacon and egg sarnie when I get back to the campsite. Just cooked up my bacon and eggs. Bread roll got a bit squished, so I'm just leaving the eggs on the side. I reckon it's a bit too much for it. Picked up a plate from Salvation Army and a pretty mean pair of sunnies for $1. Shop at Salvo's. Reused is always better than new, obviously, so keep that in mind if you're ever purchasing new things. Just here in the camp kitchen again, cooked up dinner. Got a big plate of veggies, sardines, Pretty happy. Got the cricket on in the background. Today's been a really good day. I've really enjoyed it. Nice and short ride. Doesn't even feel like I've ridden today at all. Yeah, it's been nice to relax. There's a bit of a fire pit up there, so I might go sit up there later. Pakistan hit a 6. Not good. Morning. It's a bit cold. It's about 10 degrees, I think, at the moment. Today I'll pass through a town, Ravenshoe, which is the highest town in Queensland. It's pretty crazy to go from the coast to the highest town in a couple of days, but it's a good 6 or 7 degrees cooler than it is in Cairns at the moment, which I wasn't really expecting. Feeling it, definitely feeling it, but should be good. Today probably just gonna hit another 55k day. There's a little free campground down by this river, so I'm gonna go check that out. It's called Archer Creek. For now, gonna pack up the tent, have some brekkie, and get moving. Should be a good day. Should be a good day if it warms up a bit. Well, so much for not wanting a warm breakfast. I cooked this up last night. It's quinoa, bacon, and a bit of broccoli, which I've just warmed up in the microwave, and it is just what I needed. I am really cold this morning, which is not good. I'm just gonna finish this, have my coffee, and then we'll get ready to go. Ravenhoe is about 25 k's away, so I'll stop in there for probably some lunch, and then I'll pick up some food for dinner tonight as well. Should be a good day. Should be a good day. Sun's out now, so hopefully it'll warm up a bit. Yeah, pretty keen to get riding and get going. Little burrowing cockroach. Get out of here. Get out of here. Go on. Not that way. No. Yeah! How good! Highest road in Queensland. Have a go at this. Looks like a black snake. I think it might have been hit. It doesn't look happy. I'm sorry, little guy. Yeah, he's got blood coming out of his mouth. Not good. Not. Just made it to Ravenshoe. Not particularly happy, to be honest. I've just had an argument with the lady inside this bakery. She refused to serve me a pie in like a paper plasticky bag. So I dug the plate out, and then she wouldn't give me a loaf of bread without putting it in a bag. Country bakery, middle of nowhere, and she refused to serve me it, just to hand it to me or put it in one of my own bags. Ridiculous, really. I'm gonna eat these pies. Got another 17 k's to go to the campground. Yeah,